Hello class 8 science students. This is Avijit Mukherjee. We are studying chapter 2 microorganisms. There are a variety of organisms on our planet. Some such as the blue whale are extremely large, whereas some such as amoeba are very tiny and cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Look at this picture and try to answer the questions that follows. Name the instrument the child is using to see dash. It is called microscope. 2. Name the organism that the child could be viewing. Dash. Amoeba or insect? Which of these options? The answer is amoeba. Amoeba. Name one such organism that we might see if we view the root nodule of a pea plant under a microscope. Dash. Bacteria or virus? Which option? The answer is bacteria. Bacteria. Microscope is an instrument that makes use of lenses to make smaller objects appear larger. Usually, a compound microscope is used for viewing tiny organisms. This is the diagram of a compound microscope. The object to be viewed under the microscope is referred to as the specimen. S-P-E-C-I-M-E-N. Specimen. A thin sheet of glass called a microscope slide is used to hold a small sample of the specimen. A second, much thinner sheet of glass called cover slip is placed over the sample. The cover slip protects the microscope's objective lenses by preventing it from coming into contact with the specimen sample. It also helps to create an even thinness for the sample. There are 4 basic steps to use a compound microscope. Number 1. Clean the mirror. Number 2. Place the slide on the stage. Number 3. Adjust the focus of the eyepiece and the objective lens. Number 4. View the slide through the eyepiece. Types of microorganisms. There are 5 types of unicellular and multicellular organisms. Number 1. Bacteria. Number 2. Protozoa. Number 3. Fungi. Number 4. Algae. And number 5. Virus. The first of the microorganisms are called bacteria. They are unicellular, means they are single-celled. They are the smallest and the oldest organism present in our planet. Different bacteria have different shapes. Rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli, B-A-C-I-L-L-I. Spherical-shaped bacteria are called cocci, C-O-C-C-I. Comma-shaped bacteria are called vibrio, V-I-B-R-I-O. And spiral-shaped bacteria are called spirilla, S-P-I-R-I-L-L-A. Names of some bacteria. Lactobacillus, which is rod-shaped, and Streptococcus, which is spherical-shaped. Protozoa are a group of animal-like unicellular organisms. Examples are amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Third group of microorganisms which are single-celled or multicelled, they are called fungi. They can be microscopic like unicellular, yeasts or molds, or macroscopic and multicellular like mushrooms and toadstools. All fungi are non-green, that means they lack chlorophyll and derive their nutrition from the decaying matter. Fourth group of microorganisms are simple plant-like. They contain chlorophyll and are green. They may be unicellular, for example Chlamydomonas, or multicellular, for example seaweeds. Some unicellular algae also exist in colonies, for example chlorella and diatoms. The fifth group of microorganisms are called viruses. They are so small that they cannot be seen using the ordinary compound microscope we have just discussed earlier. They, however, can be studied and viewed with the help of powerful microscopes called electron microscopes. And they are very hard to classify as living or non-living on their own, as they don't show life of their own. However, they reproduce inside the cells of organisms such as plants, animals, or bacteria, even human beings. The most common now dreaded virus is the coronavirus. There have also been incidences of widely feared avian flu virus, swine flu virus. There are human deficiency HIV virus too. Writing these question answers as your homework and attend my class. Dear Class 8 Science students, you are going to attend my class in slot 2 every Monday, so be present in time. Bye.